I got hoes calling a young
Started.
I did.
Oh, okay.
Let me get a close up on that.
Got a nice crispy chocolate caramel. See what this is. Wait, It really tastes like caramel, you know?
I mean, what else would it taste like, huh? Zach. Oh. Close up on
They're not boogans. It's for the video, Patrick.
You're hurt. Okay, let's get close. Let's get another close up. Okay.
You saw them?
What does it taste like? The chips?
Like oregano. And you know how you have this like spasm taste? So you can see the hint of oregano. Also asparagus. Yeah, Shayna. Okay, wait, I'm posting a mukbang video. Hint, asparagus. Oh my. Yes. Huh?
I'm not waiting for you. You have 1 minute. I'm being that serious. I'm telling you.
Hey guys, I had a pretty rough day today.
Hey, buddy, I think you should drink some water.
I want to get too much cancer. You know, my girlfriend left me.
I thought you were single. I thought no one liked you.
Oh no.
Let's get close to that. Oh.
These are Asian cultured chips. An American, right here.
Ew, okay.
Let's look at the nutrition fact. Comment down below what you want to see.
No, really?
That. Got a little back down here too.
We have to get different angles of the chip. Me chip.
Not eat the chip. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like it. If you can get 10 likes, you'll see another video coming up.
yeah, don't know racks in the air, yeah, for the big little point, yeah, yeah, I just put my wrist, my long wrist can't tell me shit,